What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a cartoon illustration of the wild robot. Let's begin today drawing all the way up towards the top of our page and draw a large circle for the head. So we're going to start right in the middle at the very top. It's going to work our way around towards the bottom of the head. Come up the right side and then back up towards the top. Now in the center of the head we're going to move out to the side and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We want to leave a gap along the side of the head. Back up. Let's line this up on the right side. Coming down towards the same height and then back up. Now we want to draw two smaller circles, but we're going to push that towards the inside. So let's start on the left side, come around and then in. And then in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupils. Along the top of the eyes, draw a straight line going up toward the top of the head. And I want to follow this line underneath the eye and come straight down. Let's go in between the eyes. We're going to draw two circles and fill those in black. Now we're going to add that scuff mark across the left eye. Starting from the top, then it's up and in. Add a point coming down. Stretch this out towards the end. I just want to pull that in and then down on top of the eye. Now we're going to move down and draw on the neck, leaving a gap in the center. Let's draw two straight lines coming down towards the body. And then we'll just round out the bottom. And let's add a seam in the center of the neck with a curve. From the bottom corners of the neck, we're going to draw a larger circle for the body. Let's start on the left. We're going to go out, all the way around towards the bottom. Up on the right side, and then again just pulling that in towards the base of the neck. In the center, underneath the neck, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across, angle this up and out. Now I want to bend this out and then up toward the top of the body. Let's move down, draw two straight angled lines, coming down and in. And draw a straight line going across the bottom. Now we're going to move down and draw a curve from left to right. We're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and then come back down. Now from the ends, draw two straight angled lines coming in, and flatten off the bottom. Let's add another curve across the bottom, going up and then down. Now from these 2 points, angle this down and then out. Now we're going to add that rectangle pattern on the side of the body. Let's start up here, go straight out, and come straight down. Now I'm going to leave a gap, draw another line going across, go up with two short lines, flatten off the top. Now I'm going to draw one more rectangle. Again, going straight across, go up a little bit higher, and we'll flatten that off. Let's add a couple scratches going across the body. Starting from the center of the body, come down and then over towards the left. Bend this around and then back up towards a point. Let's do that again. Stepping over, bend this down and then across. Come up towards the top. Now along the bottom of the body, we're going to leave a gap and draw a curve going up and then down. Go back to the left side, round up the bottom, coming down and then up. Now let's connect the body to the lower torso with two lines along the side. Let's add a seam in the center and bend this up and then down. Now from the corners of the hip, we're going to draw a circle going all the way around and then just tuck that up underneath. And then from the bottom of that circle on the inside, we're just going to bend the legs going out and then down towards the heel on the left and right side. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left and come down and up. Now we're going to go back to the left side. We're going to round out the foot. We're going to go up and then bend this down. Let's curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now I want to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So I'm going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. So the top outside of the foot, add a curve coming in and then down. Now from the top of the foot, we're just going to curve the leg going up. Just going to round this out and then come down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going up, come across, and then down. Now let's go back up towards the bottom of that circle, angle the leg coming down and then out. Let's add some texture across the top of the leg with two curves, one across the bottom and one on top. Let's add one more seam across the leg. Starting from the outside, we're going to bend this down and go up towards the top. And then we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw two circles for the shoulders. Let's start on the left side, go all the way around, and then just tuck that in towards the side of the body. In the center, we're going to add a curve going up and then down. Now this character has some really long arms, so we're going to start from the inside, bend the arm going out, come all the way down towards the bottom to right about there. Go to the right side and go in the opposite direction, going out and then down towards the same height. Let's round out the base of the wrist, going down and up. And I'm just going to bend the arm, just follow that same curve, but I want to taper this so it gets a little bit narrower as you come up towards the shoulder. And we're going to add that metal texture along the inside. Starting from the bottom, I'm going to add one curve, leave a gap, and just continue up towards the top of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the top and working our way down. Let's go to the inside of the wrist. We're going to draw a half circle going in and then back out for the thumb. On the end, let's close that off with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and then bend that up. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. And then the third finger, we'll start on the side. So we're going to bend this out and bend that back in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. On that first finger, second, and then the outside of the hand. Let's add that seam across the hand, starting from the outside. We're going to come down towards the fingers, go up above the thumb, and then bend that back down on the inside. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the wild robot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.